Possible meaningful verbal learning subsumption theory. This theory was pioneered by David Paul Ausubel. It is about how learners absorb new information which anchored to their existing knowledge, concepts, and ideas that they already acquired. This theory can be used and applied inside the classroom in ways that teachers should hierarchically organize their instructions and teachings so that it can motivate students and enhance the opportunities to have more effective learning. Teachers also use meaningful materials that consist of large amount of information using verbal or textual representations. Structural materials are essential tool in learning every subject which enhance the students' abilities to interact with words, symbols, and ideas. Ausubel also proposed the use of advanced graphic organizers, which act as a subsuming bridge between the newly acquired knowledge and existing ideas of students. Through hierarchically organized knowledge and graphic organizers, students can readily see how the concepts in a certain topic are related to each other, as well as learn information that can be modified or improved. Constructivist theory is about how learners construct knowledge rather than just passively taking in information. As students experience the world and reflect upon those experiences, they build their own representations and incorporate new information into their pre-existing knowledge.
Brunner's constructivist theory can be applied and used inside the classroom in ways that it can help to boost cognitive development in teaching and learning process. It allows the teachers to create instructions that anchor to the cognitive abilities of learners as well as connects it to the experiences of students where they can relate and learn. Teachers can use this theory to help their learners organize and construct their knowledge beyond the information provided and help them to uncover new ideas. Also assist students to comprehend and analyze a task and encourage them to practice and improve their previous learnings. Constructivist theory also promotes social and communication skills between learners and teachers by creating a classroom environment that emphasizes collaboration and exchange of ideas. Students must learn how to expand their ideas, clearly articulate it to the class, as well as to help them collaborate on tasks effectively by sharing in group projects, which is called brainstorming. In addition, students learn better when thinking and understanding the context instead of just memorizing. It also encourages them to reflect and evaluate their work on a given task and equip themselves with the best skills and knowledge they need. Constructivist theory allows the learners to improve their problem-solving skills. For instance, giving them real-life scenarios and letting them solve the problem and overcome the challenges would be a good start. It's not just to improve their problem-solving skills but also to develop their critical thinking skills. In addition, the learners will have more interaction by sharing different points of view, suggestions, and thoughts. It could also be helpful for their analytic skills in analyzing and diagnosing the root of the problem in a certain case, so they could be able to come up with a good solution to the problem.
Gestalt psychology was founded in the 20th century and provided by foundation for the modern study of perception. Gestalt theory emphasizes that the whole of anything is greater than its parts and the perception and ideas about it limited.
Sees perception by describing how humans group similar elements, recognize patterns, and simplify complex images when perceiving objects. It helps us understand things more easily by examining the entire object or problem.
Gestalt psychology aims are to help child brains as they learn to form things they see and how to learn to image things as a whole, based on the relationship, forms, and figure of the elements as well as how it is differentiated from the surroundings. Teachers can apply Gestalt psychology by giving the students an activity as a whole in the situation. In the video we can see, if we look at it, it's just a photo, but when we put it together, we can form a pattern of an animated scene, which Max Wertheimer described as an optical illusion where an object starts to move. The contribution of Gestalt psychology to education lies in its concept of organization, of stimuli, insight, and the foundation for the modern study of perception. Gestalt psychology is the whole and it's greater than the sum of parts. It has impacted the field of psychology to a huge extent, mainly in terms of perception, memory, and learning. Gestalt is established to help individuals to understand their internal self, their actions, reactions, as well as their behaviors.
Learning theories are important because it provides the basis on how to develop the delivery of learning as well as to perceive how knowledge constructed and effectively performed. Furthermore, it will help a teacher to understand students' different ways of behaving, understanding, and thinking.